Hey guys, and welcome back to Widescreen Videos. Today we are having an updated look on the Huawei Nova, the smartphone that I have been using for over a year now. And yeah, I can really recommend the phone. It's pretty fast, it has a long battery life, and it's quite robust, except for the fact that I broke the screen at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see it. And also at the top, if you turn it around, it's also pretty badly damaged. And yeah, now I can use the phone still. It works fine. But I wanted to replace the display. I was actually thinking maybe buying a new phone, but there's no really other phone on the market right now that I want to have. And yeah, I'm quite happy with the phone in general. All the other phones, they're a bit too big, I think, or too expensive. And yeah, I asked a shop how much it would cost to repair it, and they quoted me $120, so around 500 Malaysian ringgit if you're from there. And yeah, I paid new for the phone $360, so there would have been quite a lot of money just to replace the display. So you can already see it in the back. I bought the display myself, the glass and the display actually, because they are glued together in these kind of phones. And it cost me around $60, so 250 Malaysian ringgit. And I'm going to try now to repair the phone myself. Basically, all I have to do is disassemble the phone completely, mostly completely, and put all the hardware, so the battery, the CPU, the camera and stuff, inside at the back of this new display, because the hardware is mostly mounted, I don't know if you can say mounted, to the display, not to the back of the phone. And yeah, I'm going to do that now. Hopefully I don't break my phone. And you can watch the time lapse of this. I guess the first thing we have to do is turn it off. And then I'm going to use these tools. They also send the tools with the display. So I have a few small screwdrivers, this little plastic stuff here, a tool to open the phone, I guess. And also they send me a plug. I guess that's also to open the phone. I'm going to use this tool to firstly remove the SIM slot. So that's I can do right now. It's quite easy. And yeah, then you have to unscrew the screws here. I already did that. And now I have to open the phone. And yeah, you can watch the time lapse, and hopefully, I really hope I don't break my phone. I really don't want to buy a new phone. So yeah, we see about that later.
So yeah, as you can see, the phone works like a charm, and I'm really happy with the result. I can use the display again. It looks like new. It in some kind of way is new. There's no scratches on the display. And yeah, took a bit longer than I expected because I accidentally broke the battery while trying to get it off of the old display because it was glued hard to it. But other than that, it was quite easy. You just have to work through all the stuff. I think if I wouldn't have broke the battery, it would all be done in 1 hour. Like deassembling and reassembling, each one will take about an hour, maybe less. And yeah, make sure to check out my channel, check out my other videos, and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know, what do you do to your phone when the screen broke? Do you replace it? Do you just let it as it is? Or do you get into a shop and replace it there?